Today we're going to be unboxing the Sony A6700. We're going to take a look at what is in here. So we do have our instructions. See what else it comes with. So we do get, it does come with a shoulder strap. This would be the battery itself. Now this is Sony's newest battery that it comes with. Looks like it doesn't come with a charger. Let's see what is in here. Okay, so in here is the piece for our eyepiece that we're going to need. So we're going to slide that on. Now let's take this out. We're here. So this is going to be, look, on the side. There we go. This is going to be our lens. Set that aside. No, we do get a lens cover with it. Now this lens cover is plastic. It is not metallic. But I do like that they add in that, so that is great. And this is the lens itself. Bring that. There you go. Put that back on there. It's just to protect it. And it does come with the lens cap, so you can use the lens cap to protect your lens whenever you're not using it. Now, let's take out the camera itself. Now there is nothing else in the box. So we're going to take a look at the camera. Now I'm going to move this box away. Now this is the camera itself. This is a newer design. So you do have a nice handy grip here. So I do like that. That feels very comfortable. Actually do have that nice grip. You do have your on-off switch here, which makes it easy. You do have your hot shoe mount, and then right here you do have the spot read your interchangeable lenses, so that is pretty cool. You do have your nice wide screen here on the back and your viewfinder, so that is really cool. And then right here on the back side, so this is where your battery is going to go, right there in your battery compartment. And then on this side, so you do have a spot for your SD card. You do have a slot right here for your mic and your USB Type-C cable. And right here, I believe, is going to be your HDMI as well. So you do have that, your audio and your mic inputs in there. Now on the back, just give you guys a close-up. So those are all the buttons that are on the back. You do have your toggle switch up here, where you can easily switch to manual mode. You do have 3 presets. And then right here, you have a second switch underneath it, which I really like about this camera. So you can easily switch between S and Q and video and photos. So it's really easy, quick, on the fly. You have a customizable button here on the side. You have one on the top and this one on the front. You could do your shutter speed here if you need to, as well as your ISO. You can customize these. So I do like that. But yeah, overall, this is what the camera itself looks like. And yeah, this is the A6700. So there is the camera itself. It comes with the lens, your lens cover or your sun cover. You do get your lens finder eyepiece here. And last but not least, it also comes with the battery. So this is everything that comes in the box. And I just want to give you guys a quick unboxing just to show you everything that's in the camera.